Welcome again in online sessions of oil, hydraulic and pneumatic. Myself Praveen Jinjala from ILJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. In today's session, we will discuss about what is hydraulic valves, what is the requirement of hydraulic valve, and we will also discuss about what is direction control valve classification and different example of direction control valve and comparison between the different direction control valve. So let's start our session. First of all, we discuss about what is hydraulic valve. Hydraulic valve, it is required for supply the fluid to the different component. Means we supply the pressurized energy to the actuator through the numbers of control blocks. So it's called valve. And different control valve used for the control of or regulate the flow medium. And basically what are expressed to control the directions of fluid, pressures of fluid, flow of fluid and other specific function. So this is the requirement of different types of valve. It is generally used for the control, regulate and supply the proper amount of fluid to the proper cylinder or proper actuator. Now we will discuss about the classifications of control valve. First classification of control valve is according to the function. And according to the function, first example is pressure control valve. It is used for the control the pressure throughout the system. An example of pressure control valve is pressure relief valve, pressure reducing valve, unloading valve, counterbalance valve and sequence valve. So in the next lecture, we will discuss about the detail of different types of pressure valve and comparison between them. Second classification according to function is direction control valve. Direction control valve generally used for the direct the fluid. Means we have to require the extraction and retraction positions of cylinder, or we have to require the clockwise and anti-clockwise motions of different types of hydraulic and air motor. So we have to utilize the direction control valve for the supply in different directions of fluid. Example of direction control valve is check valve, 2x2 direction control valve, 3x2 direction control valve, 4x2 direction control valve, 4x3 direction control valve and 5x2 direction control valve. Third example is flow control valve. It is used for the control the flow to the supply the different component of hydraulic and pneumatic system. Example of flow control valve is fixed restricted, variable restricted, flow control valve with reverse free flow valve, pressure compensate, temperature compensate, temperature and pressure compensate and cam operated flow control valve. So the next to next lecture we will discuss about the what is flow control valve, construction, working of flow control valve. Second classifications of control valve is according to the methods of actuation. Means how to operate the different types of control valve. First example is manual operation. We can also operate the manually different types of valve. Example of manual operation of control valve is palm operated, push button operated, hand lever operated, foot pedal operated or cam operated valve. So we can also manually operate it. It's like the lever type, this is the push button type and this is the foot pedal type direction control valve. Second is pilot operated. It is single or double pilot operated. Means pressurized fluid will be supplied to the valve for operations of valve. It's like the for on and off the different types of valve. This is the example of pilot operated valve. Third example according to the methods of actuation is solenoid operated. Means it is one types of electronically operated direction control valve or control valve. It is used for automation in industry. Means we have to supply the electricity for operations of different types of valve. An example of solenoid valve is single and double solenoid valve. Next classification is according to the construction. First example is according to construction poppet type of or seat type valve. An example of poppet or seat type is ball valve, conical poppet type. So generally poppet, this type of poppet used for operations of different valve. Second is spool type. As like the sliding spool type and rotary spool type. So this is the rotary spool type valve. we have to rotate the spool for on and off the valve or operations of valve. And this is the sliding spool type. We have to slide the spool for operations of different types of valve. Third is flow control valve, as like the gate valve, plug valve, needle valve, poppet valve or butterfly valve. So these are the example of flow control valve. And this is also solenoid operated direction control valve or flow control valve. Now we will discuss about the factor to be considered while selecting the control valve. Which factor we should consider for selections of different types of valve. First factor is flow rate of oil. How many flow rate you have to require, or how many flow rate is required for hydraulic or pneumatic system. Second factor is pressures of oil. So according to the pressure we have to select the different types of valve. Third is force required by cylinder. How many force is required, or what is output you have to require, or how many tons of output you have to require. Next factor is speed of operations of cylinder. Different cylinder has a different operating speed. So we have to select according to that. Next is types of actuation of valve. Which type of actuation required? You have to require reciprocating or rotary actuation. Next is port size. What is the port size is available? What is bulky operation you have to require? According to that we can select the port size. Next is space requirement. How many space is available for operations of different types of valve? Temperature of oil under the pressure, compatible, because the different valve has a different capacity. So we have to select the valve according to the pressure range. And next one is environmental condition. So according to the environmental, we have to select the different types of valve, and valve should be eco-friendly to the atmosphere. Next is direction control valve. Now we will discuss about the different types of direction control valve. What is requirement of direction control valve, how it's we use, and example of direction control valve. So this is the direction control valve diagram. First we discuss about the classification of direction control valve. According to the methods of actuation, same is like the manual operated, is like the palm operated push button, hand lever operated foot pedal, or cam operated, different types of manual operation. Second is pilot operated, single pilot and double pilot. Next is solenoid operated, means it is one type of electronically operated. Next classification of direction control valve according to the types of spool, as like the poppet type, sliding spool type or rotary spool type. Third one is according to numbers of port and position. So the first example is check valve. Second is 2x2 direction control valve. 2x2 means first 2 will be representation numbers of port and second 2 will be representations of numbers of position. So it's called 2x2 direction control valve. First 2 will be numbers of port and second numerical will be numbers of position. In example of 4x3 direction control valve, 4 will be representation numbers of port and 3 will be numbers of position. Now we will discuss about in detail of different direction control valve. First is check valve, means it's called one-way valve. It will allow the fluid only for in one direction. Here the A will be input, B will be output. Whenever we supply the fluid from A to B, so there will be output at A, B. If we supply the reverse flow, B to A, so there will be no output due to the positions of spring and ball position. And this is the symbols of check valve. This is also diagram of check valve or animation of check valve. It is generally used for the control in motion. It's like the moment of vertical cylinder. So we have to control the motion by utilizations of check valve. So this is the requirement of check valve. Next is 2x2 direction control valve, means there will be two port P and port A. So here the two port and second two will be two position, means in first position fluid will be passed P to the A, while in second position fluid will be passed A to the tank. So it's called two-way, two positions valve. And this is the symbols of 2 by 2 direction control valve. Next is 3 by 2 direction control valve. Means here the numbers of port will be 3, as like the P, A and T, and position will be 2. In first position, fluid will be passed from P. In first position, fluid will be passed from P to the A. So what's happened? Fluid will be passed P to the A. So cylinder will be extract. In second position, fluid will be passed A to the T, means in exhaust position. So it's called 3 by 2 direction control valve. 2 by 2 and 3 by 2 direction control valve only for use for operations of single acting cylinder. We cannot utilize for operations of double acting cylinder. So this is the limitations of 2 by 2 and 3 by 2 direction control valve. Next is 4 by 2 direction control valve. Means numbers of port will be 4. It's like the P, A, B and T. P means it will be connected to the pump. A and B means it will be connected to the cylinder. And T means it will be connected to the exhaust port. In first position, fluid will be passed from P to the A. Same time, fluid will be passed B to the tank. In second position, fluid will be passed P to the B. In same time, fluid will be passed A to the 2. So it's called 4 port and 2 positions direction control valve. Next example is 3 by 2 direction control valve. Means here the 3 position. So we have to design direction control valve by square. In first square means it is first position, this is the second and this is the third position. In first position, fluid will be passed P to the A, same time B to the T. Second position, there will be no output, means it is in steady position. P will be in stop position, means there is the no output. In third position, P will be connected to the B and A will be connected to the R. So it's called 4 by 3 direction control valve. Next example of direction control valve is 5 by 2 direction control valve, and it is generally used for pneumatic system, because in 5 by 2 direction control valve there will be 5 port and 2 position. So compared to the 4 by 2 direction control valve, here the 2 exhaust port, R1 and R2 is equal to exhaust port. P will means connected to the pump or compressor. A and B will be connected to the cylinder. In first position, fluid will be passed P to the A. So cylinder will be start to the extraction. In same time, fluid will be passed B to the R2 and R to the exhaust. Or if it will be hydraulic system, so fluid will be goes to the reservoir. And if it will be pneumatic system, so fluid will be goes to the exhaust to atmosphere. Whenever we apply the force to the this push button, so what's happened? Valve will be change the position. P will be connected to the B and A will be connected to the R1. So here the 2 exhaust port, R1 and R2. So this is the 5 by 2 direction control valve, and it is generally used in pneumatic system. Here the meaning of 2 exhaust port is to minimize the moment of spool of direction control valve. So this was the about different types of valve, what is requirement of valve, classifications of valve, direction control valve and different types of direction control valve.